affordability, sustainability, longevity for medical devices on 6,000 square meters. This is Europe Repair Operations, Hungary.
We repair transportable patient care solutions and ultrasound equipment to aid healthcare institutions and patients, allowing our customers access to affordable healthcare solutions. We disassemble systems to reuse its parts and materials to support our installed base maintenance and offer a second life to our diagnostic imaging systems. With these three pillars of our service lifecycle operations, repair, harvest, and GoldSeal, we contribute to a circular economy by reducing carbon footprints and focusing on sustainability.
Our operation includes 35 slots for keeping magnets cool. The total factory size is 6,000 square meters or 65,000 square feet. Approximately half of it is used for warehousing. Our warehouse capabilities allow us to move heavy magnets, including 3 Tesla magnets, with the possibility of fully disinfecting the equipment that we receive back from our customers.
Refurbishing or repairing a medical device makes positive contribution to the environment as it reduces waste generation, saves energy, resources, and new materials. That's why we are considered a circular economy business.
For more than 20 years, GE Healthcare's GoldSeal program has played a vital role in reducing medical imaging equipment waste by promoting and enabling the reuse of equipment. Each system is deinstalled, packaged, and checked to prevent any damages during transportation. Upon arrival, the inbound product is disinfected and is processed in our system with a quality arrival report. Magnets are immediately connected to one of the 35 cooling stations and monitoring systems. The rigorous inspection and repair process takes an average of 3 weeks to make sure they look and perform just like the brand new systems. The process starts with scrapping all patient and user interface accessories and then an update with the brand new GoldSeal system. After isolating the recyclable parts, we apply a deep interior and exterior cleaning. Highly skilled GoldSeal technicians identify repairable and replaceable components by using OEM parts to make sure each system meets original specifications and performance quality. All undamaged covers undergo the painting process, while some GoldSeal offerings also include partially or completely new cover sets. For shipping, we use GE Healthcare standard packing kits, depending on transit length. Ready products are stored and waiting to be shipped for Europe, the Middle East, and Africa by our approved transportation companies. All magnets leave our warehouse with a 100% helium level. The GoldSeal program finishes with installation, along with an image quality performance and acceptance test.
The site is focusing heavily on continuous development, and we are using lean tools like Kaizens, daily management process, such as daily stand-ups, where the teams meet every day and they make decisions themselves as autonomous working group.
Our harvest business contributes to further reduction of medical equipment waste. We begin every day by checking new incoming devices. Equipment arrives at our repair center from different countries of Europe. After unpacking the boxes, we apply a precise cleaning method to each piece of equipment. All items are then placed in an in-process box. We make a full diagnosis on the product to see what we need to repair the unit. The full repair process is followed up by the back office team, which does the administration, quoting, and billing of the service jobs, and also answers any requests coming from customers.
Personally, the most attractive aspect, besides enabling a more efficient healthcare, is that we are contributing to the global zero waste commitment. It is very inspiring to see how GE Healthcare products are designed for longevity. Like an old generation MRI or CT systems can easily upgradable to the latest platforms. In most cases, with artificial intelligence solutions as well. Using top-of-the-line systems may question business affordability. So here we are with our GoldSeal product offering. A cost-effective solution that empowers healthcare organizations to provide excellent care and to achieve their financial objectives.